Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. Welcome to our Techniques on Mindful Meditation, a comprehensive resource offering various meditation styles, insights into their benefits, and free guided audio practices to integrate meditation into your daily life. Watch and discover the basics of this transformative practice, which can lead to greater joy in your daily living. Firstly, understanding meditation. Meditation is the practice of paying attention to the present moment, often by focusing on the breath. In mindfulness meditation, we learn to observe our breath as it flows in and out while acknowledging and gently redirecting our wandering thoughts. While the concept of mindfulness may seem straightforward, the practice requires patience. Renowned meditation teacher Giovanni Dienstmann reflects on his early experiences with meditation, highlighting the challenge of keeping the mind focused on the breath amidst distractions. As I said, Giovanni is one of the top 5 meditation coaches worldwide. What are the benefits of meditation? Meditation offers numerous benefits that enhance various aspects of our lives, including stress reduction, improved focus, and better connection with others. By cultivating mindfulness, we can gain insight into our thoughts and emotions, leading to more informed decision-making and greater well-being. Here's more on how to meditate. Meditation is accessible to everyone and involves simple steps that anyone can follow. Find a quiet, comfortable space to sit, set a timer for a short duration, and begin by focusing on your breath. As distractions arise, gently bring your attention back to the breath without judgment. Consistency is key in meditation practice. Commit to a daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Research suggests that regular meditation strengthens attention and cognitive abilities over time. Here are some tips for cultivating mindfulness. Beyond breath-focused meditation, there are various mindfulness techniques to explore, such as observing external stimuli or engaging in aimless wandering. These practices help us recognize the dominance of automatic thinking patterns and empower us to shift towards intentional, mindful behavior. Creating habits of mindfulness requires effort and persistence. Strategies like setting reminders, refreshing cues regularly, and establishing new behavioral patterns can help reinforce intentional brain activity and reduce reliance on autopilot thinking. Embarking on a journey of mindfulness through meditation offers countless rewards for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. By integrating mindfulness into our daily lives and cultivating intentional behavior, we can navigate life's challenges with greater clarity, compassion, and resilience. Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.